Hey there, welcome to the Garage Dad channel. I'm Dave, and for this video I want to quickly show you how to install and remove LAMIN-X protective film for your lights. To start things off, you want to wipe down the lens of your light to give the film a nice clean surface to adhere to. For these specific fog lights, I have ordered a universal round cover of 3.75 inches to make sure I have full coverage of the lens. Since these lights are naturally yellow, I've decided to go with a clear film. To begin applying the film, you're going to start from one side and slowly drape over the material to the other side. Once you completed that, you want to make sure that the film is centered on the light. Then you're going to take your finger and run an X pattern over it. From this point, you're just going to use your fingers starting from the center of the light to the outside, removing any sort of air between the film and the light. Now, once you get done with this step, there may be some slight air bubbles, but no worries because within a few days, those bubbles should go away as long as they are minor. Lastly, just make sure that the edges are nice and pressed down. Once you're done with that, simply just repeat the same steps for the second light. Now to remove your film, the best way I have found is to use a steamer. Make sure you apply the heat to the entire area before trying to remove it. Now take your time when lifting the film off the light as to reduce the chances of leaving residue behind. And also make sure to apply heat as needed. It is vital to be patient when removing the film, especially on things such as headlights. And there you go, now your light is ready to have another film installed. If you're interested in any of these products, just click the link below for a discount. Thank you again for watching my video. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.